Let's talk a little bit, if we could, Eileen, about kind of the small business hat you wear. In addition to being an attorney, you run a business, you got to generate business, you have payroll and things like that. How much time do you spend? How do you manage or balance your time between Eileen, the attorney practicing law, and Eileen, the business owner running Kendall Law?
Not enough. So I opened my practice 6 years ago in October, and up until the pandemic, it was just me. I was working out of my home office. I had, small potato type goals, but luckily or unluckily, I don't know what you want to call it at this point, because I'm pretty exhausted, is that my business grew organically. I love to speak with realtors. I go and do our local association. I do presentations. And the referrals just kept coming in. The pandemic hit, and at first I thought, oh crap, what's going to happen? You have all these landlord tenant things, and that's at that time was more of my practice than I wanted it to be for just me, because I really love litigation. I hired my first employee. We have 8 now. There's 8 employees, with in the last year, the majority of them, and it has been a big struggle. I have a business coach that says that I should only be billing about 75 hours a month towards client work, when I usually bill 120 to 140, and then the other part of that should be devoted to the business. Unfortunately, I am squeezing in the business when I can, because I'm the one that has the consults, and I'm the one that, I have to oversee the legal work. And like I said, I start a jury trial on Monday because the client, hired me and not my associate, and didn't want an associate to go do it. So the other issue is managing expectations that, there's a team, and it's not going to always be me. And I do need to devote more time to the business side, but fortunately it's growing organically and I don't have to do much, and it's about having the right people. So I have a business coach, I have a bookkeeper, I have a good CPA, I have, all of the people in place that can help me try to run all of these different things. And the person I hired first, she's gone through many hats, and she's now taking on the hat of COO. Like, she's really learning everything so that she can be the go-between.
Nice. I know the first matter I did with your firm, I never did talk to you, and it was all handled. And I'm not saying that to complain. I'm saying, I had your name as attorney, and I called in, and I got routed to one of your associates and your administrator, and between the two of them, and really more the admin person, was really good. And so everything got done. I'm copying the attorney to be, polite. But the reality is the admin, if you have good staff, then you can delegate more and more. I'm sure you're learning your way through that process. Well, good for you.